Hello, I am Lucky Sharma. This project is a home electricity bill prediction system built using RapidMiner AI Studio. The goal of this project is to predict electricity bill based on appliances use and electricity and energy consumption patterns. So, electricity bills are often unpredictable for users. This project helps to estimate electricity cost and provide insight into which appliances contribute most to the bills. As we know, electricity are the main source of power for our homes, and you can see we have a different pipelines built for predict the model based on appliances use. So we can see we have a data set of fans, refrigerator, air conditioner, television and monitors. It tells how much how much fans we have, refrigerators and air conditioners and monitors, and it is also how many months we can how many months of pending bills we have, and city and company name that will provide the inside which electricity company are providing the electricity, and the monthly hours means how much hours we can train. And also we have in this pipeline we have wrote the data set, then we have split and we have upper final electricity bill level that we will use to predict, and then we have category to numerical that we will convert the categorical to the numerical data, and we have weights. We introduce weight by correlates, that means which features carries the most weight for the prediction of the electricity bills. And we have split the data, that is 70% for train and 30% for test. And we used two model, random forest and linear regressions, and we feed the input to the these models, and they will predict based on the input, and they will predict the level, means they will calculate the final outcomes. And here we can see we have introduced a very low root mean square error, that is 70 or 71%. That is actually a very low, and provide us a very high value models that we have predict. And we have weight, that in we can see that monthly hours weight is high, so that means monthly hours is carrying more weight for predicting the models. So we have generally introduced two models, in which we have used monthly hours and other cities and company name, and another one we remove the city and monthly hour for for our correctness, so we can check accurately which models our model is actually calculating or not. So you can see that we have another one model in which we remove city and monthly hours. So you can see that I have feed the data, and then its root mean square value is 630. That means it is fairly based on monthly hours, that means how much time you use your electricity. So in practical use, you can just think like when we use electricity, we use in a monthly and hourly basis. So how much electricity we use, it will calculate the price based on that electricity. And electricity is the main source for our homes and day to day work, like fetching machines and fit. So this feature importance analysis show that the total use times of the electricity is high impact on the following appliances that we are used. So this project demonstrates how the machine learnings can help user understand optimize their electricity consumptions. And we also add a meter based calculation features in which user can just put up their initial and final electricity bills or meter reading, and then based on their prices we can actually provide him the cost of their bills they are getting. And they have, if they have schemes, then we can also add the scheme features. And for final decision we can calculate the actual bills. And for prediction based, they can also refer like for deep analysis they can add their refrigerator, fans and all other appliances that they have used for they are used in their home, like electric bulb, fan, refrigerator, monitors and laptops and AC coolers, etc. And based on their timing and how much time they and how much time they will own and consume electricity, we can predict the pri- exact price of the bills, so they can estimate their cost and reduce the cost for so they can understand, so they can reduce their electricity cost day to day. This will also help to preserve our electricity and energy resources. And so thank you.